For today's video, I'll show you easy ways to customize your Zoom waiting room. To get started, open your Zoom app, and once you log on to your account, click on Settings icon here. At the bottom left corner of the tab, click on View More Settings. Once you've landed on this page, log on to your account. On the left side, click Settings. On the screen, click Meeting as well. Scroll down and turn on the waiting room feature. Once you enable this feature, of course, you will have to upgrade your plan to be able to add personalized message, your logo, video, and add description in your waiting room as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye!